you want me to tell you about a deal that did not close for me, where I lost a lot of money?
Okay, go ahead.
I lost $30,000.
Wow.
From this. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it was this beautiful home in Frisco, one of the nicest homes or nicest neighborhoods in Frisco. I do too. Frisco's a great area.
Yeah.
So it was a couple. The wife followed me on Instagram. She messaged me, "Hey, I like what you're doing. Can you sell our home?" No problem. I'll sell it. So I met up with them. Everything was great. This was back before the market was pretty crazy. This was a higher end home. Obviously, I was gonna make $30,000. So it was a nice priced home.
Mm-hmm.
So it was probably on market for 2 to 3 months. Again, this was before the market was crazy.
Okay.
We finally got an offer on it. Great offer. It's like, yes, like I'm gonna.
That's it.
Yeah,
that's
like,
it right there.
Yeah, like we're gonna sell this house,
and they're about ready to sell.
I'm gonna make all this money. So we're like 2 weeks from closing, right? I get a call from the not the wife, but the husband, who I've been mostly in contact with the wife.
And I hate when these just pull up like, who are you?
Oh, just wait. Just wait.
Oh,
just
man.
wait. Guess what he tells me?
Yeah.
They're getting a divorce. He owns like all of the home. He's like, we're getting a divorce. I don't want to split half the proceeds with her. We're not selling. $30,000. Choop. Down the drain. We take the home off market. He's like, I'm just gonna keep living here. And
dude,
yeah, $30,000. I thought I had it, and I didn't. This was probably 2-3 years ago, closer to 3 years ago. So yeah,
it's
man,
quite a while, but it's, man, it
Yeah.
sucks.
Yeah.
It sucks.
It happens, man.